Hello everyone, welcome to solve this Math Olympiad Algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 6 minus m cubed equals to 2, and here we solve this problem for the values of m. But here you remember one thing is that our m must be a real number. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we rewrite this equation as we have m to the power of 6 and we write it as m cubed and its whole squared minus this is m cubed equals to 2. So here we take y equals to m cubed. So this equation will be written as y square minus y equals to 2. So this will becomes in quadratic form. So now we solve this quadratic equation. So first we write this equation in standard form and we have y square minus y. So we move this 2 in the left hand side and it will becomes minus 2 equals to 0. So here we make the factors of this equation in order to find the values of y. So we easily make the factors and we write it as y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So here we take common y from first two terms and we get y minus 2, and we take common plus 1 from the other two terms and we get y minus 2 equals to 0. So now we take common y minus 2 from both of these terms and we get y minus 2 times of y plus 1 equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we write y minus 2 equals to 0 and the second case is we write y plus 1 equals to 0. So in this case we get the value of y equals to 2 and here we have y plus 1 equals to 0. So now we back substitute the values of y. So here we see that our y equals to m cubed and now we put this value here. So it will becomes m cubed equals to 2 and in this case it will becomes m cubed plus 1 equals to 0. So here we take the cube root on both of the sides. So we get m cubed and its whole power 1 over 3 equals to 2 power 1 over 3. So this 3 and 3 are cancelled by each other and we get the first root of this equation is 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So this is the first real root, and now here in order to find the other real roots we need to solve this cubic equation. So here we write this 1 as 1 cube and now we use the nice cubic formula. So here we use a cubic formula. So after using the cubic formula this will becomes m plus 1 times of m square minus m plus 1 equals to 0. So this is the here we use the cubic formula and we get the terms in this form, and now we convert this in two cases. So our first case is we write m plus 1 equals to 0 and the second case is we write m square minus m plus 1 equals to 0. So here we get the value of m equals to minus 1 and this is the second real root of the given question. And now here we check is this quadratic equation has real roots or not, so that we find the root of this equation. So here we use the discriminant formula in order to check the roots of this equation. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 1, and our discriminant formula will be written as b square minus 4 times of ac. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c. So the value of b is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1. So it will becomes 1 minus 4 and 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. So this data tells us that if our the value of this data is less than 0, so if the value of this data less than 0, it means that this quadratic equation has complex roots, so it cannot have real roots, so that we rejected this case because in this question we need only real roots. So we have two real roots, m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3 and m equals to minus 1. So we write these two roots here opposite to the question statement. So we have two roots of the given equation are m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3 and m equals to minus 1. So now we check these two roots. Is these two roots satisfies the this given question statement or not? So now here we copy down the question statement, and it is m to the power of 6 minus m cubed equals to 2. So first we put this m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So we have m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So we substitute in the left hand side, and it will becomes 2 to the power of 1 over 3 and its whole power 6 minus 2 to the power of 1 over 3 and its whole cubed equals to 2. So here you see that this 3 is cancelled out by this, and we get here 2 square minus this 3 is cancelled out by this, and we get 2 equals to 2. So we have 2 square becomes 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Sorry, this is 2, and 4 minus 2 becomes 2 equals to 2. So this shows that m equals to 1 over m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3 satisfy this given question statement. So m equals to 2 over 3 be the first real root. So now we check m equals to minus 1. So we check this value here, m equals to minus 1. Now we put m equals to minus 1 in the left hand side of this given question, and we get here minus 1 to the power of 6 minus 1 to the power of 3 equals to 2. So here we know that if the exponent of minus 1 is an even number, so it will becomes positive value, or it will gives us the positive value, and if the exponent of a negative term is odd number, then it will gives us the negative value. So this expression gives us the positive one, and this expression gives us the negative one, and this whole equals to 2. So this will becomes 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and this 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 2. So this shows that left hand side equals to right hand side. So this shows that m equals to minus 1 satisfies the given question statement or this question statement. So this shows that we have only two roots of the given question, and these roots are in this way: m equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 3 and m equals to minus 1. And this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.